Coming up, Bhastrika bellowing breath. If you need to detox, calm your mind or increase your metabolism, this breath work is for you. So today we look at Bhastrika Pranayama, bellowing breath. If you are a beginner, this is not for you. You need to know how to do awareness of the natural breath and abdominal breathing and the full yogic breath. So go see those videos. I leave the links in the description box below, and first practice them before you start with this. If you are not familiar with the other breaths, you can damage your lungs or your nervous system if you don't practice them before this. So please be careful and first don't dive into this and first practice the other breaths. And my name is Al, for any of you who are new here, and I'm from yogagangia.co.za, and I've created this channel to help you to learn to heal your body and mind with yoga. So if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So, what are the benefits of Bhastrika? The benefits are, like I've said, it detox your body. So what happens is your body detox different ways. When you cry, when you sneeze, when you sigh out. That's why we always sigh in yoga, to release. And number one, number two, when you sweat, you guys know. So breathing, your lungs get rid of the most toxins in your body. Isn't that amazing? So that's why some people who breathe incorrectly might have a weight problem. Okay, so it detoxes you. So what happens is we increase the oxygen in your blood and it expels through the lungs the toxins. Fantastic. And the other thing it is, it calms your mind. Okay, it soothes the nervous system due to all this oxygen on your whole system, and it calms your mind. So it's great to do before meditation, or if you just want to calm your mind if you had a hectic day. Okay, and it increases your metabolism. So what happens is, because due to all the oxygen, it just gets your whole body a kickstart, and its nervous system, your metabolism increase. And also what happens is your organs in your lower part of your body gets a massage, and the inside. Isn't that amazing? So what happens is, as you inhale, your diaphragm is this muscle that lies at around here, just below your lungs. When you inhale, the diaphragm pushes down and your lungs expand downwards and outwards, and it pushes all the organs at the bottom down and squeeze them, the liver and the intestines, and they all get a bit of a massage. And as you exhale, the diaphragm moves back up. Okay, so inhale, press down, exhale, up. So it's got this movement and massaging all the organs and squeezing them, and oh, they love doing that. So it's very good for your internal organs, your metabolism, soothes your nervous system, and created one-pointedness for meditation. Now, how do you do this? It's very simple. What we're going to do is we're going to breathe only through the nose. Okay, and it is a forceful breath, so you deliberately do it, and as you inhale, you forcefully deliberately inhale and the tummy rises. That's why you need to know how to do abdominal breathing. Okay, so the tummy rises and you expand your tummy as much as you can, and you forcefully exhale and you suck the navel into the spine. Okay, all happening through the nose, and there's a rhythm involved as well. It's in, out, a rhythm. But you must never strain. If you feel you start to strain, you need to take it a notch down. Okay, so let me show you how to do it, and then we will do it together. So you always sit comfortably, always have your chest open, no constriction, no round back. Okay, on a chair, on the floor, doesn't matter. First, you need to clean your nose because we breathe so forcefully through the nostrils. If you don't clean your nose when you exhale, you might spray. So keep a tissue near, clean your nose, blow your nose. I already did it. Make sure it's all clean before you start. Okay. And then you first become aware of the natural breath. And I'm going to do about 3 or 4. So you could hear, but you will develop, as you continue, develop a rhythm. So I'm trying to do it slower, and I'm just going to turn. So you don't do this with your back. It's not your body that's doing it. It's your diaphragm and the inside. So in the beginning it might be difficult, struggle. So take it easy. Okay, so you definitely can hear that. It's all taking place through the nostrils. So get ready, clean your nose, and get ready to do with me. We're going to do 10 breaths, and then you stop, keep your eyes closed, and focus on the natural breath. And then I'm going to do 10 more, and 10 more. Now you can do 5 rounds. We're only going to do 3 rounds. 3 rounds of 10 breaths, okay? But you can do 5 rounds of this breath. And afterwards, you just keep your eyes closed and you relax and you focus on the natural breath. And afterwards, you just become aware of what sensations you feel in the body. Okay. So, and keep the tissue near. Maybe as we go on, something might happen. And if you have a total blocked nose and it can't open, please don't do it. You will create too much pressure in your head and you might just hurt your sinuses or your eyes or something. Okay, so wait till your sinuses clear up and then you can practice. So let's start. Sit comfortably any way you like. Softly close your eyes and just become aware of your body sitting. Doesn't matter where you sit. And then bring your awareness to your nostrils. The nostrils and the natural breath. You are not doing anything. The breath is natural and spontaneous. You are merely aware that you are breathing. And on our next inhalation, we're going to start with 10 bellowing breaths and then take a break for 3 breaths and then 10 more, and then take a break for 3 breaths and then 10 more. And so we start, and inhale. And just become aware of the natural breath. And the effect of the breath on your body. You might be able to feel the inner body more. It feels like electricity running through your body. And take a long, slow breath through the nostrils and deliberately sigh out through your mouth. And again. And slowly open your eyes. Very good. Everything might look different as well as the oxygen dominates your skull and your brain and your nervous system. Very good. Just gonna close the door. I think the neighbors are cutting the grass. One moment, please. Not much of a help, but we try. So we only did 3 rounds, so try for 5 rounds, or begin with 3 rounds and then increase it to 5 rounds. And try to work it into your routine, because it doesn't help you just do it once. It's not gonna be beneficial. Try and do it 3 times a week or even more. Thank you. Tip of the day. Now the tip I have for you guys today is how to clean your sinuses. A neti pot. In India they call it jala neti. Jala in Sanskrit means holy water. So you can get it at a health shop. It looks like a little teapot, and yeah, and the instructions are on the box if you buy one, and you just clean your sinuses with the neti pot. So just Google neti pot or sinus cleanser, or you can even Google jala neti, jala Jala, and then neti Neti. Okay, so thank you for watching, and leave a comment below for any questions. And if you enjoy this breathing technique and this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Ariom Tat Sat.